Welcome everyone to this week's episode of My Life and My Virtual Therapy Dog channel. If you're new here, I'm Frank, and this is my life from my point of view, with voiceovers by Dad. I'm here for all the folks who want a dog but can't have one right now. Hi, and welcome to this week's video. This week, we just about finish up. We'll have, the gutters are going up, and Dad's got the decks and stuff about done and the little approaches, so you'll see those in the video. And one of these days, there's not really enough of that for like a whole video, but if this is your first video, then welcome, and to have all the subscribers and everybody, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, well, think about it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And if this is your first video, once again, there's 20 some videos in the Franklin Manor playlist, and that brings this from raw land to kind of what you're seeing in this video. And of course, when you're putting gutters up, it's got to rain. That's why you're putting gutters up. And I have to say, these gentlemen from Neil's overhead doors and gutters do a good job. That machine there just takes a flat roll of metal and spits gutter out the other end of it. And our gutters are going to be green, so the green roll is way in the back. You can't really see it, but you can kind of see it in there. But for some reason, the machine wasn't happy, so they had to mess with it just a little bit. And of course, this was done on a Friday, so machine been doing just perfect all week. And then, of course, on Friday, it had to decide it wasn't happy. But them gentlemen made it nice and happy. And it is pretty neat watching them make really, really long pieces of gutter. It's coming up here pretty soon. You'll see it. It's pretty amazing. I don't know if you see that guy. He's marking every so often for the hangers. These guys made awful short work of this. It took them, they showed up at 8:30 in the morning, and by noon they were gone. And this piece of gutter they're working on here is for the back of the house. The ones for the shop will be just, I think they were a foot or two longer than the ones for the house. But pretty neat. I don't know if you guys remember Play-Doh or not. Dad and Mom talk about Play-Doh and Gumby and Pokey and, you know, stuff from when they were kids. But Dad was saying that machine kind of reminded him of the Play-Doh thing that he had when he was little. You put the Play-Doh in it and squish it, and different stuff comes out, different shapes. That's the little hanger thing that they stick in there. And just run those screws in, and kind of a done deal. It's the first time I ever saw synchronized ladder climbing, but these guys were good at it. I try to stay out of the way. Sometimes I can, and sometimes I don't do so good. And it is amazingly interesting to just watch the whole process from the beginning to the end. And it's been my job the whole time to make sure that Dad doesn't miss anything, and if he does, let him know. But they'll have that one done in just a couple of minutes. Do a little close up here of getting that all lined up. But just like that, it's hanging there. And Dad was talking to these guys, and they were gonna finish up with Franklin Manor, and then they had another house they had to go do, and gutters to clean on another house. All today. Or, same day they were doing this. So they stay busy. And downspouts. It looked pretty neat when they were cutting that hole. Just like that. There's a place for the water to come out. Yeah, kind of the same thing on the front. Just measure where it's got to go and make up the piece and hang it. Does seem kind of weird to see people walking around on top of Mom's house. And bada boom. Getting ready to put downspouts up. Kind of funny when they did all the...
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.
When they did, the whole subscribe thing. Like, comment, subscribe, and most definitely please share the video and the channel. So anyway, the blocks that the downspouts dump onto, those have been there since all the concrete blocking was done. That was a number of videos ago. Yeah. Pyrenees lips. Anyway, time to get downspouts up, and then they can get to work on the shop. And stick around. It's kind of the same stuff, but pretty neat to see too. Just how they do it. One guy on one end, one guy on the other. I really don't know if they like see who can get it done quickest. It kind of seemed like one of the guys had been doing it longer than the other one. And this was when this was filmed and when this video is being made is a few weeks apart, really. There was some other videos that kind of came first, so I can tell you those gutters work great. Heard something. Had to run there for a minute. Yeah, just like that. Downspouts. We'll hyperdrive the back ones. And I am done. And measure, produce, hang. Sure didn't take these guys too very long to do all that. And here comes the gutter for that one. I don't know why these seemed quite a bit longer for the shop than they did for the house, and they really weren't much different. Yep. I'm gonna mark where the hangers go. That machine didn't feed out gutter real fast, but really didn't take that long either. I think that piece was 40, almost 45 feet. There's Dad. Don't get to see Dad too often. He's usually behind the camera. And unfortunately, Mom had to work on the day that this was all happening, so she couldn't be up here to watch it either, so. But that's another reason Dad's making the videos, not just for my channel, but, and, for all you folks. Silicone up the end. And with that big long piece, they tried going kind of up that way, and that wasn't gonna work, so. And they tried to go up the other way, but the fence up there was just a little bit too high to get it far enough to get around the ladders. No. You can see him. Nope, gonna back the other way. And the fence on the other side's quite a bit lower. Okay. Now they kind of got it where it needs to be. You guys ready for the synchronized ladder climbing again? Okay. There we go. And they had actually done the back already before they did the front. And I mean, literally, how many gutters do you want to swatch going up? That's why this is a fairly short video, because, well, gutters are just gutters. Measure, create, hang. Yeah. Get the downspouts in. That's all there is, and there really isn't any more to it. I definitely do want to thank everybody for sticking around towards the end of this video. We're just about done. Hopefully we'll be able to travel again soon. Well, until then, and until next time. Cheers, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, stick upon the thumbs up button. And for the newest, go ahead and paw that subscribe button. Thanks again. Cheers.